The automatic emergency braking system is designed to help prevent or reduce the severity of a collision by automatically applying the brakes in certain situations. If you are having issues with the AEB system or seeing a warning light on your dashboard, one of the first things you should check is the fuse. In this 4th generation Kia Sportage, the fuse for the AEB system is located in the engine compartment fuse box. Pop the hood and locate the fuse box. It's in the corner near the battery. Go ahead and remove the cover by pressing the release tabs on the sides. On the back side of the cover, you will see a fuse diagram. Look for a fuse with a symbol that looks like a car with a collision impact in front of it. That's the fuse for the automatic emergency braking system. It's a 10 amp fuse and is red in color. Using a test light is one of the quickest and most accurate ways to see if the fuse is getting power and whether it's blown. First, turn on the ignition so that the power is running through the fuse box. Next, clip the alligator clamp to a good ground point. This can be any unpainted metal part of the car's body or the negative terminal of the battery. Now look at the top of the fuse. You will notice 2 tiny metal pins or exposed contacts on top of the fuse, one on each side. These are test points. Touch the test light probe to one of these pins. The light should turn on. Now move to the other pin and test that one as well. If the test light illuminates on both points, that means the fuse is good and power is flowing through it. If it lights up on only one side, the fuse is blown. If you do not have a test light, you can still check the fuse by giving it a visual inspection. Using a fuse puller that you can find in the fuse box, carefully pull out the fuse. Hold it up against a light. Inside the plastic body of the fuse, you will see a small metal strip or a wire. If the metal strip is intact and continuous, the fuse is good. If the strip is broken, melted, or shows any burn marks, the fuse is blown and needs to be replaced. This is how a blown fuse usually looks like. Notice how the metal strip inside is broken. If the fuse is blown, make sure to replace it with another fuse of exact same rating, that is 10 amps. Using a fuse with a higher rating is dangerous. It could cause electrical damage or even a fire. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to WeJoin for more car maintenance tips and repair guides. Thanks for watching.